In the corporate world, the right set of skills can propel you to new heights. It's about harnessing your potential and steering your career with purpose. Discover how New Frontiers can be your ally in mastering indispensable corporate skills. Elevate your leadership qualities with New Frontiers Executive Coaching. It's tailored to help professionals like you refine strategic thinking, leadership, and decision-making skills, key elements for corporate success. Achieve a balanced and fulfilling professional life. Our professional and personal coaching addresses the nuances of navigating career challenges, setting professional goals, and developing a career trajectory that aligns with your personal values. Master the art of corporate communication. From building stronger professional relationships to effective networking, our social communication coaching prepares you for the intricate dynamics of workplace interactions. Transform your team into a powerhouse. Our Workplace and Corporate Development Series offers bespoke solutions, including team coaching, employee development coaching, and workshops designed to enhance teamwork, communication, and efficiency across your organization. With New Frontiers by your side, mastering corporate skills is not just an aspiration, it's a reality. Begin your journey today and unlock a world of professional excellence. Your future starts now.